Well, the nation has been struggling to accommodate the drastic change of demonetization of currencies. Although on Sunday evening, the Finance Ministry announced an increase in the withdrawal limits, people have been travelling to every corner of their respective cities in search of a functioning ATM. Most banks and ATMs were bereft of cash and therefore people were finding it difficult to withdraw money. Although the Finance Ministry on Monday announced the increase in the withdrawal limit, people in Lucknow were unable to withdraw money at all. All the cash dispensation machines need recalibration in order to accommodate the drastic change. Several banks had notices outside on their shutters announcing that there would be a stipulated time to withdraw. This has led to more rush near a few banks and ATMs that are in fact functioning.
Due to Guru Nanak Jayanti, today all the banks and the branches are closed. But it was supposed that all the ATMs should be open for the benefit of the people so that the people should get their money on the ATMs. But even in Mumbai, I'm standing at Parel location where at least 4 to 5 ATMs are present, all the private companies, but still the ATMs are closed. Some time back, this ATM was working, people were standing in the queue and they were getting the money, 2,000 rupees per person. Even the new guidelines says that they should get 2,500, but still the information has not been floated down. But now this machine has been closed because there's no money left. There's a ICICI Bank ATM on the side, but even that is closed because till evening the money was there, but that is closed. There are another ATMs around, Axis Bank, Yes Bank and Kotak, all are closed. And one same reason, that money is not in the machine. So where's the money and why the money is not flowing? Even the security guards people doesn't know. These are the people who are standing in the queue since morning, and now they have no other option than to wait till the money come. काका ये बताएं कि पैसे अगर नहीं मिलेंगे तो क्या तब तक इंतजार करेंगे इतना?
नहीं, अब तो इंतजार नहीं कर सकते हैं। अब आज कौन इसमें पैसा डालेगा हम लोग को तो मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत दुख का बात है कि हम लोग को 2,000 रुपया जो लेके मार्केट में जाते हैं तो कोई भी चेंज भी नहीं देता है।
So even it's a wastage of time because these are the people who have to go to the offices. They are the daily workers. So even the time is the money, and they are wasting their time even to get amount of rupees 2,000 on these ATMs, which is right now closed. With camera person Nitin Warne, this is Virendra Singh Gunawat in Mumbai for India Today.
Well, the national capital is still struggling, meanwhile, to cope with the move of demonetization of higher currencies, replacing them with new ones. It's Guru Nanak Jayanti today, and many banks are shut throughout the day, and people started lining up outside the ATM since 5 in the morning. Let's listen into what these people have to say.
It's about 10:30 a.m. on Monday morning, and you'd expect most people to be at work, but people are queuing up outside one of the very few ATMs that are working in central Delhi right now. I'm outside the Indian Bank, which is the only ATM in the Connaught Place area that is currently functioning, and there are about 50 to 60 people waiting to be able to withdraw some cash. People are supposed to be at work right now, but for the past few days, a lot of people have had to skip work. They had to stand in long queues for hours and hours. Some people tried multiple times, but the banks and ATMs kept on running out of cash, and this problem continues to persist. While banks are closed today on Monday, but the ATMs are supposed to be open, but most of them don't have any cash on them. Let's talk to someone who's been waiting in line. Sir, आप कब से लाइन में वेट कर रहे हैं?
सुबह 7:30 बजे से।
7:30। आप अभी तक पैसे विड्रॉ कर पाए हैं पिछले कई दिनों में?
नहीं, अभी तक नहीं हो पाए हैं।
आपको अभी have you had to skip work? अभी आप काम पे जा?
Yeah, today is holiday, no? So this is the major problem nowadays. So morning we rush. We are moving in here and there because we have seen this is open.
So a lot of people are facing a lot of inconveniences. They've had to adjust in the past few days. They've been completely cash strapped. Students, tourists, the working class, all of them continue facing a lot of problems. They've also had to take a lot of loans from people around them since they can't keep making payments in cash. With camera person Jainendra, Ilma Hassan for India Today.
Bank shut today as it is Nanak Jayanti, but you can see the queue here in CP outside the Indian Bank ATM here on a Monday morning. A lot of people lined up even before the ATMs are stocked with money and are refilled with cash. This is a gentleman here with me who has been waiting in queue since 6:45 in the morning here to withdraw money as he has to pay his son's fees. So आपको आपके बेटे की ट्यूशन फीस भरना है और क्या आपके अभी ऑलमोस्ट एक हफ्ता हो गया, दिक्कत परेशानी है आपकी?
सर परेशानी तो बिल्कुल है, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं, लेकिन मैं इंडियन इकोनॉमी के लिए इसको बहुत अच्छा मानता हूँ। दूसरी बात ये कि मैं आपके माध्यम से उन संस्थानों से और उन लोगों से आग्रह करना चाहूँगा कि जो प्रोसीजर गवर्नमेंट ने लागू किए हैं उनको वो ईमानदारी से फॉलो करें। इस 2500 से मैं तो पहले घर का खर्चा चलाऊंगा, फीस जमा हो या ना, फीस जमा होगी जब देखा जाएगा। लेकिन ये तो मुझे 7 तारीख को तनख्वाह मिलती है और 8 तारीख को रुपए बंद हो जाते हैं, लेकिन उसका मुझे कोई अफसोस नहीं था क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे पास 300 रुपये पड़े हुए थे जिनसे मैंने आज तक खर्चा चलाया और आगे भी भगवान ने चाहा तो सही चलेगा और मैं इस लेवल पे गवर्नमेंट के साथ।
This is what people have to say. While he's facing a lot of inconveniences, he does appreciate and commend the government's decision. With camera person Pratap, Shalini Lobo for India Today.
हमारे पास खुद पैसा नहीं है, हमारी मदर बीमार है, हम खुद परेशान हैं। बैंकों में जाते हैं, बैंकों में भीड़ होती है, सिक्योरिटी इतनी है, बंदा क्या करेगा? हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है, खाने का नहीं है, किराए का नहीं है, हमारे पास पैसा क्या करें?
Yeah, it's really hard. I come from Jaipur. There it was possible to have cash and I arrived here in Delhi today and it's really hard for me because I don't have money. I cannot go to the ATM, so I don't know what I can do. I'm gonna try to go to HSBC Bank to see there, but if there is no money there, I don't know what I can do.
So there are several banks in the Connaught Place area also. I mean, you can try some other ATM machines also.
Yeah, that's why I take a tuk-tuk and we will see.
हम सुबह 7 बजे से आए हैं तो अभी तक लाइन में और कभी-कभी है मशीन हैंग हो रही है, बहुत दिक्कत हो रहा है।
Well, let's get a present sense of the present ground situation in the national capital. Shalini Loba is joining us with the very latest. Shalini, are ATMs being restocked at regular intervals considering banks are closed today and people are completely dependent on these machines?
Well, Maha, I'm at the Indian Bank in Connaught Place. So I drove around Connaught Place and not one ATM was stocked with money. Now the Indian Bank has just refilled. A lot of people gathered here. Everyone going in and out to get their money from the ATMs. This side you see a serpentine queue that goes all the way down. A lot of people been waiting here. A lot of people waiting in line. Sir, excuse me, sir, क्या आप नौकरी करते हैं? जॉब से ऑफ लेकर यहाँ पे हो?
राइट, मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ, बट रिसेंटली कैशलेस हो गया तो मुझे आना पड़ा। मैं नॉर्मली ऑनलाइन ट्रांजैक्शन से ही गुजारा कर रहा था, बट आज तो आना ही पड़ा। इतना भीड़ देख के तो वेट करना ही पड़ा, नो ऑप्शन नहीं है मेरे पास। और मैं यहाँ से नहीं, मैं जामिया से आया हूँ, वहाँ कहीं भी ATM नहीं चला और मुझे दोस्तों ने बोला कि यहाँ पे ATM चल रहा है तो इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे आया, बट आई हैव टू वेट।
Yeah, so how has this been now? The announcement was made by the Prime Minister on Tuesday and now it's been almost a week. How has it been? What are the problems you faced as a person who needs cash every day for your basic necessities?
Right, cash is required, but the move is something which is very important. I mean, if we can adjust a little, then I think it's great for the entire nation. As far as the PM has mentioned, the codes. Basically, I mean, there are problems we are facing, but if we can adjust for a few more days, I think it's like a week more that we have to go.
Are you dependent more on your card now? Will you move towards plastic money than resort to cash?
Plastic money is preferable, but it is not exactly replaceable because not everybody accepts plastic money. You will have in India, you will require hard cash. I mean, we use autos and all. They don't take in online transaction. They don't do.
This is a problem a lot of people have faced. That plastic plastic cash is not everyone takes it. I even have tourists with me who it's a struggle for them as well. They have been hit by this. This young lady, this lady here, she's come here. She went into the ATM, waited in queue, but the machine never recognized her cards. So she's been in Delhi for 2 days and she hasn't been around. She's been in a hotel.
Well, I tried my card and it doesn't seem to be accepting foreign cards because I tried 2 different cards from 2 different banks, and the American lady behind me, she's also tried and has no luck with her card either. So now we're in India with no money, not even for water or anything. So I just don't know what we're going to do.
Do you have a plan B, such as going to the airport, getting your money exchanged? Do you have some money with you that you can go exchange?
We have to be able to afford to get to the airport first, and then there may or may not be a chance that we might get some money. I don't know. We're seeing Delhi by touring ATMs at the moment and everything we can do on foot, and that's it.
This is what they have to say. They're seeing more ATMs in Delhi than anything else. They don't even have money for food and water, no money to go to the airport where they can exchange their currency. They don't know what to do. And the same as with these people who have been hit, who have been waiting in queue since early morning. There have been people waiting in queue for 2 hours, 3 hours, all of them standing here waiting in queue. But the bank has taken due care to form a separate line for ladies, a separate line for men, so that women feel a little more safe, women feel a little more comfortable waiting in line for long number of hours here in the national capital. Ma'am, आप कितने घंटे से लाइन में खड़े हैं?
3 घंटे हो गए मैं लाइन पे खड़ी हूँ, लेकिन वही है ना, कोई एटीएम में पैसे नहीं है, सिर्फ एक ही में है, तो सारे लाइन यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है। लेकिन ये रूल क्या है कि 2 जेंट्स 1 लेडीज, उसमें थोड़ा सा गलत कहा हुआ है।
तो ये अच्छा डिसीजन है कि 1 लाइन लेडीज के लिए 1 लाइन जेंट्स के लिए?
ये तो थोड़ा अच्छा ही किया है, लेकिन क्योंकि हमारे घर के सारे काम हम छोड़ के फिर यहाँ से सुबह से खड़े हुए हैं, और जो किया है ये तो अच्छे के लिए ही किया है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अरेंजमेंट अगर पहले से कर लेते तो हमारे लिए इतना तकलीफ नहीं होती।
This is what people have to say. 3 hours, you keep all your household work aside, come here, stand in front of the ATM. They're talking about how a lot of people, the move to make a separate line for ladies and men, this is a good decision. It's all organized. You have security forces in place, everything organized here in Connaught Place. But this is, unfortunately, the ATM is dispensing only 2,000 rupees. I tried punching in 2,500, but I could only get 2,000 rupees from this ATM.
Okay. Shalini, stay on with us because there is support that's also pouring in, and we just heard one gentleman there who was standing in queue despite being there for hours, saying that he supports the move of the Prime Minister. Now, there is support for the scheme to demonetize higher currency notes, and Bollywood celebrities have strongly backed the move, from actor Aishwarya Rai and Amir Khan to even stalwarts like Anupam Kher and Jitendra. They've all come forward to appreciate the bold move to eradicate black money from the economy. Speaking on the inconvenience faced by the masses across the nation, they have made a call to focus on long-term benefits of the scheme and endure the difficulties in the short term.
We all are actually congratulating our Prime Minister on this very, well, it's being rightly recognized as bold, but I'd say also a very strong move. In the first mandate that he began with, that this is going to be a movement to wipe out corruption at all levels. So this is a very strong move in that direction, and change can always bring about a little bit of discomfort, but that's not something that we need to focus on. You need to have the longer overview, which is what the head of state is having for the country, and that's what we're here to respect.
ये जो इश्यूज है ना कि देश के लिए क्या सही है, वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। उसका शॉर्ट टर्म इम्पैक्ट हमको इतना नहीं देखना चाहिए। जो चीज हमको देश के लिए करनी है वो हमको करनी चाहिए, फिर उसमें मेरी फिल्म को नुकसान हो वो छोटी बात है।
Let's go back to our correspondent Shalini Lobar joining us from outside an ATM in Connaught Place in Delhi. Shalini, you know, many people are also complaining that they are trying to use their cards to make payments at various shops to buy utility items, but servers in some cases seem to be down because so many people are trying to use plastic money now. Is that the complaint even you've heard?
Maha, at this ATM itself in the morning, when people tried, when there were a lot of people going in to withdraw cash.
Three policemen came in, without line they just went inside. Ma'am, you want to say that? Yeah, I want to say 3 policemen came in and without a line they have gone inside. Report this.
This is what complaints are happening here. 3 policewomen came in, they did not wait in line and they entered the ATM. Complaints like this have been coming from customers, that tourists have also been let in easy. Now all these people waiting here since early morning, and there's a lot of frustration, a lot of impatience, and when people cut queue, people take to it very, very, very badly. This has caused a lot of ruckus here since morning, and the ATM here has crashed twice. The server has given trouble and the ATM has hung as people were trying to withdraw money over and over and over again with their cards once they surpassed the limit. Now the limit we heard had exceeded from 2,000 to 2,500, but over here in this ATM you can get only 2,000 rupees. Now let's talk to some people and ask them if they have been using plastic money. Ma'am, मैम क्या आप प्लास्टिक कैश यूज़ कर रहे हैं पेटीएम से या कुछ पेमेंट्स कर रहे हैं आप?
नहीं।
पेटीएम से आप कैश से ही सारा काम कर रहे थे?
नहीं, कैश तो हो ही नहीं पा रहा है, अभी तो बहुत सारी दिक्कत हो रही है।
This is what people say, that they need cash for everything.
Right,
They need cash for their rickshaws. Paytm is an option, but they need cash for rickshaws. They need cash for groceries. They need cash for milk, for water, necessities, essential necessities like that. They have to spend money for. Sir, क्या आप अपने कार्ड यूज करते हैं स्वाइप करने के लिए? पेटीएम यूज करते हैं आप?
हाँ यूज़ करते हैं।
So now have you moved to plastic money over cash?
वो कैश।
आपको कुछ दिक्कत हो रही है?
हाँ दिक्कत तो हो रही है, फेस करनी पड़ रही है, बट आई थिंक 10 से 15 दिन में सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। हॉस्पिटल में हम इसलिए आए हैं यहाँ पे बदरपुर से, क्योंकि अगर मान लो कल को टेस्ट बोल देते हैं 4000 का, तो टेस्ट ही टेस्ट होना है, कैश कहाँ से लाएंगे हम? एक दिन में 4000 निकालेंगे दोनों के एटीएम से 2,000 करके।
This is what people have to say. A man who has been.
All right, Shalini, I'll have to interrupt you there because.